Learning English. Possessive adjectives. Hello and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of possessive adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, and possessive adjectives specifically show ownership or possession. They help us convey who owns or possesses something. Understanding possessive adjectives is crucial for building strong English language skills, so let's get started. Possessive adjectives are used to indicate ownership or possession. They are placed before a noun to show that the noun belongs to someone or something. In English, there are 7 possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. These adjectives help us express the relationship between the possessor and the possessed object. For example, this is my car. The car belongs to me. Is this your book? The book belongs to you. It's important to note that possessive adjectives agree in number with the noun they modify. For singular nouns, we use my, your, his, her, and its. For plural nouns, we use our and their. Possessive adjectives are commonly used in sentences to describe the ownership of various objects. Let's explore how we can use them effectively. 2.1 Singular possessive adjectives. When using singular possessive adjectives, we match them with singular nouns. Remember to use an apostrophe s to show possession when needed. Examples: that is his pen. The pen belongs to him. I love her house. The house belongs to her. The dog wagged its tail. The tail belongs to the dog. 2.2 Plural possessive adjectives. When using plural possessive adjectives, we match them with plural nouns. Remember that there is no need for an apostrophe s when using plural possessive adjectives. Examples: these are our books. The books belong to us. Is this their car? The car belongs to them. While possessive adjectives generally follow the rules we've discussed so far, there are a few exceptions and special cases worth mentioning. 3.1 Its versus its. We need to be careful when using its and its. Its is a contraction of it is or it has, while its is the possessive form of it. Many people confuse these two, so it's important to pay attention to the context. Examples: the cat ate its food. The food belongs to the cat. It's raining outside. It is raining outside. 3.2 Family members and possessive adjectives. When indicating the relationship between family members and possessions, we often use possessive adjectives. However, some family-related possessive adjectives have unique forms. Examples: this is my father's car. The car belongs to my father. She loves her sister's guitar. The guitar belongs to her sister. Congratulations! You've now mastered the fundamentals of possessive adjectives in English. Remember, possessive